Here are the motor milestones by 6 months. At pathways.org, all of our milestones are from American Academy of Pediatrics and Center for Disease Control Materials. Rolls from back to tummy or tummy to back.
Beautiful. Gorgeous.
While on tummy, pushes up on straight arms.
Building her back extensors is just going to make it so much easier for her to keep good postural alignment when she's up. I don't know if you noticed when she was sitting, that beautiful postural alignment.
Reaches for toys while on tummy.
Food.
Okay.
Want to help baby reach these milestones? Stick around for the end of the video to learn about our Baby Milestones app. While lying on back, reaches both hands to play with feet.
Those things, but so cute. Ability.
Uses hands to support self while sitting.
I'm 4 months and I sit up. I'm 4 months and I sit up.
Keeps head upright when in supported positions, for example, sitting, standing, or being held.
Babies don't have teeth yet.
No, not yet, but I think she's working on it. They're underneath.
Looking for an easy way to track these milestones and find activities to help baby reach them? Download the pathways.org Baby Milestones app for therapist-approved activities personalized to baby's age and abilities that support development and help them reach their next milestones. And remember, it's never too early or too late to get baby on the right pathway.